Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create rail alignment in Civil 3D. In the previous exercises we were learning about road designs, but now it's time to dive into rail design. So rail alignments were introduced in Civil 3D 2013 to allow for the difference between rail design and other types of design. For example, railways are characterized by long sweeping curves, and the curve geometry is expressed differently on railway construction plans. Rail design also has its own type of super elevation which called canth, which is handled differently than road design super elevation. So these differences are accounted for when you use rail alignments in Civil 3D. So let's look at the quick simple exercise for the rail design. Just start with a new blank drawing. If you have imperial or metric, it's not matter, just open any template from the Civil 3D. From the home tab, create design panel. Here choose alignment sections and alignment creation tools. The create alignment dialog box will appear. Change the name mastering railway and set type to rail. On the general tab, alignment style should be selected propose and alignment label set all label. Then switch to the design criteria tab, and here you can put 50 km/h. If you are using imperial, maybe you have here miles per hour, so you can select 30 miles per hour. Then select the use criteria based design checkbox. If the design criteria file does not default to the one that references railway design standards, so you may need to click the ellipses here next to the design criteria file and select the design criteria file and just open. Then verify that use design criteria file and use design check set are already checked, and then click OK. Now you have alignment creation tools here. Select the fixed line 2 points we already discussed in the previous exercise. For the road design alignment, just click anywhere, okay, like this, and for the it's just for the start point, and for the end point you press shift and add key rate, then 100, 0 is for metric. If you are using imperial for the feet, then you can write 300 or 400 and comma. Just press enter to the command. You can see anything here. Just zoom in here and you will see an alignment of the 100 meters. From the more floating curves branch here, select floating curves from entity and radius length, and read here select entity to attach. Select the right side of the line segment that you just drew, and then read here specify curve directions. Just press enter to select the default. At the specify radius of the curve, just write D, and why we are writing D here, we want to switch to the degree of curvature. Just press enter and then write 3. Then read here specify curve length. Now we need to give here chord length. Just select this one and write 100 and enter. You can see we have a curve here. Just press enter to end the command and click the X on the cross to close the alignment creation tools. So now note that this will result in the different curves of if you have imperial or metric, so you will experience different curves, but it's not matter. Now this is we have a road alignment, rail alignment, which have lines and curves sections. So this is how we can play with rail alignments in Civil 3D. If you want to learn more about these alignments, then stay tuned with us for the next exercises.